Alright, so it's time for the carpets. And the first ones I'm putting in is the passenger and driver's floor carpets. And right now I have the old ones on the bottom, and I'm matching the new ones up to them. And what I'm going to do is this. There's holes for the seats inside the old carpet. So I'm going to take a Sharpie, match it up, and put a dot on the bottom of the new carpet. Where I believe the hole should be. And as I'm fitting it inside the cab, I'm gonna double check those marks and then make the holes. And there's a slit, a cross slit right here. And this is where the seat cables came through. And then make sure 1, 2, cross slit, 3, and 4. And now I'm gonna test fit it in the car. So now we're gonna get ready to start getting this carpet in here. I put this shield over the outside of the windshield because, you know, the sun is freaking bright. The sun is very bright and I need to see. And this is the cable that comes through the center of the carpet. It's for the seat adjustments. And this, of course, is to make sure that you click your seat belt. Alright, so let's go get that carpet. It's a whole lot better than the ones I got a week ago. It's a good thing I didn't make. They're off by just a little bit. Not by much. So what I'll do first is the cut for the seat adjust cable. That came through. Not where it needs to be. Making sure that all these pieces fit properly. Sometimes the pain in the butt. See, there's a piece that goes there that goes next to your toes. It goes over that. do that. They whine, they bitch, they moan. Trust me, I know. They do that shit. Just let it cry. Alright. Well, it's pretty good for the first one. It'll be held in place by the molding over here. You up. You want me up here? Which means you gotta go up more. Oh, I got that. But I have to cut it back here. And it'll be hidden by the side panel pieces. Wow, looks different with just those two in. So this carpet set came with a pad for the bulkhead hump. And this is the bulkhead carpet, so I'm gonna use it. I mean, I have these in here already, so I don't know if it's gonna push it further out, which is kind of okay with me because I wanted to cover, you know, a good portion of this right here and go from there. But yeah, we'll see. So the carpet for the bulkhead and the carpet that came out of it, which is the original carpets of the car, are just slightly different. This one only has that little piece there, but this one has all of this. So I'm gonna have to match them up. And do some trimming. So yay, lots of fun there. So I have that in, and you can see all the extra carpet. And it goes down there, so I'll trim it down to there and get it all tucked in nice. It overlaps the floor carpet nicely, comes up, and this will be covered by the side molding, and then the wheel well carpet will come over this and hang down. So far so good. All right, bring up to speed. I got the wheel well carpets in, both of them. Yeah, cut out for that. I got my speaker cut out. I got one of the lift pistons in through the speaker opening. I put baggies on them because there's some grease or something that's on them that I don't want on my new carpets. So let's get this. Let's get this taken care of here real quick. So what's left is this carpet now. And then I can start buttoning up the back end with the new trim pieces I got. And then tie it in and get the courtesy lights in, and this will be done, and that'll leave me the two pieces on the sides of the console. Alright, I wanted to give you a quick update on the Corvette and the carpet install. What I was able to get accomplished was the two floors, the hump, and all of the back carpet. We have the new hatch for both put in. We have new plastic molding for going around the edge, and we have a new piece of weather stripping to finish off the hatch right there. Over the next few days I should be able to get the console side panels completed, carpeted and completed and installed. Now I'm going to clean up all this black plastic and the pieces that are missing. Not missing, but taken off. Clean those and reinstall all of that. And then it'll be onto the door sills on both sides. And I have this door panel complete, all the pieces. So the lock switch that I needed for this side came in, so we're all good there. So yeah, it looks like it's gonna be coming together relatively quickly. And it's looking really good. We got new Corvette back emblem and the new emblem on the tank or the back deck, and we have the new emblem in the front installed and looking good. It's coming along really nice. Very pleased with its progress.